G'day, it's Friday afternoon. We're just north of Woodford in the Sunshine Coast hinterlands, and for dinner tonight we're going to cook that lamb roast over the open fire. Let me show you how we're going to do it. Here we've got some black pepper, rock salt and whole garam masala. I'm just going to crush that up with a mortar and pestle and slice up some of this garlic. Just getting a few slots in here to put the garlic in. We like the garlic, so we'll get in as much as possible. And finally, before we get cooking, cover it in the mix, rub it in deep. We'll leave that to settle for no particular reason other than it's about time for a beer and clean up a little. Right, now before it gets too dark and too late and everybody gets too hungry, we're going to stick this, which should be a butcher's hook. It's not, but it should be. Throw me a little lamb like this. Last bit of goodness on it, and hook it straight up here over the fire, ready to cook away while we grab another beer. Right, to keep this lamb moist, we're just going to dribble a bit of lemon juice over it from time to time. We use a little bit of rosemary to do that because it looks like a cool thing to do on a video. That's about it. I'll just keep doing this for probably the next couple of hours by the looks of it, and before too long we'll be tucking in. Alright, it's been about 5 beers, temperatures dropped below 10 degrees. We've taken the lamb off, wrapped it in alfoil just to let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes. Now the moment of truth. She's juicy. She's tasty. We need a few bits for dinner tonight, and some left over for lunch. And look at that. Probably can't see it at that angle, but beautiful, beautiful and juicy. I'm 30-second rule. I'll buy that for $1. Done.